Fun and creative Halloween cookie decorating ideas. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to share with you how to decorate this cute Halloween cookie. But first, if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. First, I am going to start by outlining the design on my cookie, and for this I am going to use a decorating tip number 2.5 and medium consistency icing in natural color. Now I am going to cover that part with flooding consistency icing that I tinted in white. And I am going to use my spatula to spread out the icing evenly. Now I am ready to shake out my cookie, and if there are any air bubbles in the icing, they will pop up and I will use a scribe to pop them. Very good. Now the icing is very nice and even, and I am going to put a royal icing transfer that I made before in the shape of a pumpkin. Now I am going to put some sprinkles. For the ice, I am going to use the wet on wet technique before the icing dries. I am going to dip a little wood stick on the black icing and I am going to make little dots. And now, using the same icing that I used to outline my cookie, I am going to outline the little shoes. And now I am going to fill them with black flooding consistency icing. Now I am going to let this cookie dry completely and I will finish it up with some other details. Now I am going to use my medium consistency icing and I am going to outline the legs of this little ghost. And I will fill that part with flesh tone flooding consistency icing. And also I will let them dry. And if you want to add extra buzzazz to this cookie, you can put a little ruffle on top of the shoe. In this occasion, I use a decorating tip number 101S with firm consistency icing tinted in fuchsia. And this trick-or-treater is ready. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.